Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your Landbank username or user ID. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a few different ways how we can do this. So option one is to check your email or SMS confirmation. So when you first register to Landbank Access online banking, Landbank sends you a confirmation email SMS that includes your username or user ID. Search your inbox for terms like Landbank Access or check your SMS history. Now, another option we can try is check your registration document. So if you enrolled at a Landbank branch, your enrollment form or acknowledgement slip may include your user ID. Now, option number 3 is to retrieve it via iAccess website. So to come over to this website here, and then where it says the login page here, it will say unlock ID. So go ahead and click onto that and then enter your account number, email address, or other required details. Follow the instructions. Your user ID will be sent to your registered email address. Now, if you can't do any of those three options, we can always contact Landbank customer care. So give them a call, then provide your account details and valid ID for verification, and they will help you recover your user ID